Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trish. In today's video, I wanted to sit down and do a black smoky eye. This is how it turns out. It's my first time doing a smoky eye. However, I think it came out really pretty. I am so in love with it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. And let me know what videos you guys would love to see next. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep on watching. We are gonna get our brows done because of course I like to start with my brows just to kind of frame the eyes so I know exactly where to place my shadows. And again, I'm using my E.L.F pomade and Espresso, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn. I'm just taking a fluffy brush just to blend that concealer into the skin. Okay guys, so I have my brows on. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. For the look today, I wanna do a black smoky eye. And to be honest, I've never done a black smoky eye before, so I'm kind of just gonna wing it and see how it comes out. Hopefully it turns out really good because I'm kind of excited about this. I have a few products I want to try as well, so we're gonna get started. I'm not sure if I want to start with my deeper shadows first or if I want to do my crease first and then go in with the black, but I think I'm gonna start with my crease and then we'll go in and do the black, but we'll see. Let's just see what happens. But anyways, I'm gonna prime my lid, and for that I'm gonna be taking my Plouise Beige shade in Rumour 2. I'm gonna take a small dab of that onto my lid and just blend that out with a fluffy brush. Okay, so I have my lids primed and now I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I am gonna be taking my Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I am gonna be going in with the shade Yoded, and that's gonna be my transition shade. And I'm gonna be taking that on my Morphe M441 fluffy brush, and we're gonna go right in. And I am just packing that shadow onto my lid. I'm just taking this light bone shade from the Milani Most Wanted palette, and I'm just using that to soften the edge of that shadow I put down and to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to deepen that crease just to get that ombre effect, and I'm going to take the darker brown from the Warrior 2 palette that's called Kufuru, and I'm just blending that into my crease, and I'm blending it from the outer edge all the way to my inner corner. I wanted the smoky eye to be really dark and sultry, so I'm going to put down some of my black Plouise base shade, and then I am going to cover that up with the black shadow from my Warrior 2 palette, which is called Shawada, and I'm just going to blend that out into that brown transition shade that we put down. This do take a lot of blending, so I'm just going to blend that out until I get it to my liking. Once I got that done, I went ahead, did a tight line, highlight my brow bone, and then I'm just going to clean up the edge of that shadow. For mascara, I'm using the Lash Princess by Essence, and then I'm just cleaning up the outer edge of that shadow with some concealer. Oh my gosh, you guys, these lashes are so pretty. I got them on AliExpress, $3. Check out AliExpress. Now we're gonna prime our face, and I am taking my Milani Bright Side Primer. I forgot how much I love this primer. I haven't used it in a while, but I love it. It's so pretty. And for foundation, of course, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC50 and my E.L.F Total Face Sponge just to blend that into my skin. Now to highlight, I am going to be taking my E.L.F Hydrating Camo Concealer along with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to use those to conceal my face. I realized the E.L.F on its own was just a little too light for me. So I mixed the two just to give it a more neutral tone that looks better on my skin. And then after I conceal those areas, I'm gonna go ahead and set them in a place. And to set them, I mixed two powders. I mixed my Marcelle translucent powder and my Black Radiance True Complexion loose setting powder together, and those were the perfect match for setting my eyes. Of course, to set the rest of my face, I did use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355 Coconut. And then we are going to go ahead and contour. And for that, I am taking my Black Radiance True Complexion palette just to contour the outer perimeter of my face, just to add some warmth back to the skin. For blush, I use my MAC Extra Dimension blush in the shade Cheeky Bits. And I'm just going to carve my contours out with that same Maybelline Fit Me powder. To set the face, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and then I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the bridge of my nose, and I'm using this highlighter shade from the Revolution Quad that I have, and then I'm just finishing off the eyes. Now I'm just going back in to redefine my brows. I did lost a little bit of that pigment when I did all my powders and creams. Again, I used my E.L.F. pomade in Espresso. And now I'm just outlining my lips. Of course, I am using Nutmeg from NYX, and then I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Ultra Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Forever. And there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what videos you'd love to see me do next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.